Are you interested in making money online? Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to do just that. It is a great way to monetize a website or blog and can be a great source of income. This beginner's guide to affiliate marketing will give you the basics of what you need to know to get started. Keep in mind, this is only an overview of how you can get started in affiliate marketing. You'll learn what general affiliate marketing is, how to find and join an affiliate network, and how to become successful as an affiliate marketer. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought about by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. In affiliate marketing, an affiliate is a person or company who promotes a product or service on behalf of another company or individual. The affiliate earns a commission or reward for each sale or lead generated as a result of their marketing efforts. For example, let's say that Company A has an affiliate program, and Company B decides to promote Company A's products on their website. If a visitor to Company B's website clicks on a link to purchase a product from Company A, and the purchase is completed, Company A may pay Company B a commission for the sale. You can see this type of transaction on national TV. One example can be seen on the television network NBC on a program called Extra. Since it's the holidays, they place products on their program and have you scan a QR code with your phone. Any sale that is processed using their code will automatically generate affiliate commissions to Extra. This allows them to make money while showcasing other people's products like personal jewelry and various accessories on their television program. This type of monetization can be rather lucrative if handled correctly. Affiliate marketing is a popular way for businesses to reach new customers and for affiliates to earn income. It can be a win-win situation for both parties as long as it is done ethically and transparently. With the right knowledge and strategy, you can make a great income from affiliate marketing. Below are some affiliate marketing tips that you can use to your advantage. However, affiliate marketing is a dense topic, so you have to do more research on your own to become successful as an affiliate marketer. But first, let's find out why you should do affiliate marketing in the first place. Why should you do affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing can be a great way to make money online because it allows you to earn a commission by promoting other people's products. One of the benefits of affiliate marketing is that it's a performance-based model, meaning you only earn a commission when you make a sale. This can be a great way to monetize a blog or website that you already have and are passionate about, without having to create your own products or services. It can also be a flexible and scalable way to earn income, since you can promote products and earn a commission without having to worry about fulfillment or customer service. And I can tell you from experience that having inventory is a pain, so not having to worry about physical fulfillment from your own inventory is a nice bonus. Affiliate marketing is a way that some people make money online. It's kind of like being a salesperson, but instead of selling things in a store, you're promoting products on the internet. And not just any products. These products are not yours. The nice thing about affiliate marketing is that you do not promote your own products or services, but you are promoting other people's products and/or services. You can do this through your own website, social media, or even just by telling your friends about the products. The best thing you can do is have your own YouTube channel and promote your affiliate marketing on your own channel. When you become an affiliate for a company, you get special links that you can use to promote their products. If someone clicks on one of your links and buys something from the company, you get a commission. That means you get a small percentage of the money that the person spent on the product. Just like in a sales job, not always, but you get a commission off of the sale. Think of a car dealership. Whenever a customer buys from you as the point salesperson selling the vehicle, you will get a commission from all your hard work. So let's say you have a blog about pets. You might join an affiliate program for a company that sells pet toys and wellness products. You could write a blog post about the toys and include a special link that your readers can click on to buy the toys. If someone clicks on the link and buys a toy, you'll get a commission. It's the same when you post a product on your YouTube channel. You see this all the time with YouTubers where they tell you to go to the description box to click the link because they are either affiliated with that product service they are promoting or they are sponsored. Most of the time, they are affiliate links linking to their Amazon Associates link or store. These Amazon Associates conduct affiliate marketing by showcasing the products they use and like. But be sure to give valuable content to your readers' viewers, because reiterating the same things without putting original content on the table is kind of a downer. Not only that, but it shows high quality content. It's also a good idea to showcase a product service that you are either knowledgeable on or have experience in using. One of the benefits of affiliate marketing is that you only make money when someone buys something. However, this is also a downside because if people don't buy, you will not get paid. This is called a performance-based model because you're only getting paid for the work you do to promote the products. This can be really helpful if you have a website or blog that you're already passionate about, because you can use it to make money without having to create your own products or services. Implementing affiliate links onto your website or blog will be a way to monetize your content. Another way of monetization is by implementing Google AdSense on your website. You can do this by creating a Google AdSense account and putting your website on there. We will cover more later on. Another benefit of affiliate marketing is that it can be flexible and scalable. This means you can choose how much time you want to spend promoting products, and you can earn more money as you get better at it. You can also promote different products from different companies, so you have a lot of options for what you can sell. Affiliate marketing can be a good way to make money without having to worry about fulfillment or customer service. When someone buys a product through your affiliate link, the company takes care of everything else. They handle the payment, the shipping, and any customer questions or concerns. You just get to focus on promoting the products and earning your commission. Overall, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online if you enjoy writing, social media, or other forms of online marketing. It can be a fun and flexible way to earn income, and you can do it from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. How to start doing affiliate marketing. Choose a niche or topic that you are interested in or have knowledge about. Choosing a niche or topic that you are interested in or have knowledge about is an important step when it comes to writing an essay or doing a project. Here are some tips to help you choose a topic that you will be excited to learn more about and will be able to write about with confidence. Think about your interests. What are you passionate about? What hobbies or activities do you enjoy? These can be great sources of inspiration for a topic. Consider your strengths. Do you have a particular skill or area of knowledge that you excel in? This could be a good starting point for your topic. My suggestion is to write down your strengths and move from there. Look for a problem to solve. Is there something that you have noticed in your everyday life that you would like to find a solution for? A problem is a good thing to have, depending on the problem, because you have personal insight on that problem. What you can do is do your own research, your due diligence on how you can fix or remedy that particular problem. Do some research. Look online or in books to find out more about different topics and see which ones catch your attention. Once your research is done, you can find, narrow, or niche down on a certain topic that you want to talk about. Ask for help. If you are having trouble deciding on a topic, ask someone for help. They may have some suggestions or be able to point you in the right direction. You can ask a stranger or you can ask someone who knows you well what you can work on and help you decide on what topic you want to address. Remember, the most important thing is to choose a topic that you are interested in and excited to learn more about. This will make the writing process more enjoyable and help you produce your best work. Trust me, there is nothing more annoying than writing on things that have no interest to you. I think about school and having to write endless research papers that does not interest me in the slightest. So make sure you have a topic or niche that interests you. Research and find affiliate programs that offer products or services related to your chosen niche. Researching and finding affiliate programs that offer products or services related to your chosen niche is an important step when it comes to earning money through affiliate marketing. Start by searching online. There are many websites and online directories that list affiliate programs, so a good place to start is by doing a search online. Look for websites that list affiliate programs in your niche or industry. Affiliate networks are companies that manage multiple affiliate programs and provide a platform for affiliates to find and join programs. Some popular affiliate networks include Commission Junction, ShareSale, and Amazon Associates. You can also check the company's website. Many companies have their own affiliate programs and will often have information about them on their website. Some of the time, they are not in affiliate networks, so you have to go onto their actual website to find their affiliate programs. If they have any, look for a link or page that talks about their affiliate program and see if it is something that would be a good fit for your niche. Read reviews and ask for recommendations. Look for reviews and testimonials from other affiliates who have had success with a particular program. You can also ask for recommendations from other affiliates or industry professionals who might have some insight on which programs are worth joining. You can do this by going on Facebook groups, and Facebook has groups for almost anything. Remember, it is important to choose affiliate programs that are relevant to your niche and offer products or services that your audience will be interested in and interesting to you. It's a hard thing to juggle because something might interest you, but it may not interest the next person. You have to find the middle ground that will interest you and interest the viewer reader. That is why some people say you have to be passionate about money. Some motivational speakers I have seen like to say this, and they are not wrong. You have to follow where the money is going if you want to be a successful affiliate marketer. Tracking your sales through reports. Sign up for the affiliate program and get your unique affiliate link. Signing up for an affiliate program and getting your unique affiliate link is an important step when it comes to earning money through affiliate marketing. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you sign up for an affiliate program and get your unique affiliate link. Find an affiliate program. First, you will need to find an affiliate program that offers products or services related to your niche. You can search online or look for affiliate networks that manage multiple programs. Remember, find one that interests you, interests your reader, and something that makes you money. Also, write about something that you have knowledge or have experience on too. This will make you sound more professional than the average person. You can also do your research on the topic that interests you. Review the terms and conditions. Before you sign up for an affiliate program, it is important to read the terms and conditions carefully. Make sure you understand how the program works, what you are expected to do as an affiliate, and how you will be paid. This is one of the many crucial things that you need to do. Find and read the fine print of the contract terms and conditions. You do not want to get banned and kicked out from being an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing from affiliate marketplaces vary in terms and conditions, so make sure when you sign up for multiple affiliate marketing programs to read all of their terms and conditions to familiarize yourself with their stipulations. Get your unique affiliate link. Once you have been approved as an affiliate, you will be able to access your affiliate account and get your unique affiliate link. This is a special link that you can use to promote the products or services of the affiliate program. Not only that, but the special link that will be given to you by the company marketplace is unique to you, which means whenever your audience clicks on the link you provided, the commissions will go to you. The links are there to ensure that Bob the Builder from Nextdoor does not get the commissions that you've worked so hard to get. The marketplaces that you go to sign up to become an affiliate for will usually have some tracking for the links you have provided. When I signed up for ClickBank, they offer some sort of tracking for the links you placed on your websites. You will be able to track the commissions you get and the links that were clicked on. These types of tracking reports will be valuable to you, so you'll know next time which affiliate links work and which ones does not. Remember, it is important to follow the instructions of the affiliate program and use your unique affiliate link whenever you promote their products or services. This will help you track your sales and ensure that you get credit for any commissions you earn. Adjusting to the ever-changing internet. Adjust your marketing strategies and try new techniques to improve your results. Adjusting your marketing strategies and trying new techniques is an important step when it comes to improving your results in affiliate marketing. Analyze your results on your tracking reports. The first step to improving your results is to understand what is working and what is not. Look at your sales and commission data to see which products or services are performing well, which channels are driving the most traffic and sales, and which techniques are producing the best results. You can recalibrate if something is not working or if something is working. Identify areas for improvement if something is not working. Once you have a good understanding of your current results, you can start to identify areas for improvement. This might include testing different types of content, experimenting with different promotion techniques, or adjusting your targeting to reach a more relevant audience. Do not skip on social media. Social media can be your best friend or worst enemy. It all depends on how you use it on your affiliate marketing journey. Experiment with new techniques. There are many different techniques you can try to improve your results in affiliate marketing. Some examples might include running a social media campaign, creating a YouTube channel, or using paid advertising. Don't be afraid to try new things and see what works best for you. This is all about trial and error. One technique that you apply to your affiliate marketing strategy may not work well for someone else, so you have to see what works well with your topic niche. Remember, affiliate marketing is all about experimentation and continuous improvement. By regularly analyzing your results and trying new techniques, you can improve your results and achieve your goals. The internet is a fluid place. Everything changes so rapidly. So make sure you adapt to the forever changing environment of the internet.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Also, like this video if you found it helpful and comment down below to let me know your thoughts on the video. Thanks for watching.